Are you also having a scanner rental business? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your scanner rental business. So as an owner of a rental business of scanner, I'm receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries on day-to-day basis from customers and new clients regarding the services, rental durations, etc. Handling each of the inquiry manually is a time-consuming task, so I have decided to automate it simply with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, that is all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, without any coding and programming skills, I am going to create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot that is going to handle all the WhatsApp messages and the inquiries for me 24/7, and also going to automate the responses effortlessly in such a way that every time I am going to receive a new WhatsApp message from any of my customer or user, automatically personalized reply is going to be sent. For your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation and WhatsApp chatbot process step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen, everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for scanner rental business. So as an owner of a scanner rentals, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries and messages from new customers, existing customers, clients, and multiple leads. I need to handle all the inquiries at the same time according to different preferences and requirements, but it is a confusing task. Therefore, I have decided to automate it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, that is all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can see I have built a chatbot that is going to handle all the WhatsApp messages that I'm receiving, and also going to automate the responses accordingly and effortlessly. So here, before moving forward towards learning how to create this WhatsApp chatbot for our business ourselves, I will first of all show you that how it is actually going to work. So this is the WhatsApp number of ScanPro, that is the name of my business, Scanner Rental Business. And as a customer, I'm going to send a random message over here. Hello, I need help. As soon as I've sent this message, you can see I got an instant reply. Hello, welcome to ScanPro Rentals. We offer affordable, high-quality scanners on rent for students, professionals, and businesses. How can I help you today? We have 3 easy buttons which we can reply with. So let's say I'm going to click on plans. I want to know about the plans first of all. And you can see I got the plan for each day. We have 1-day plan, 3 days plans, 30 days plans. If it is asking us, want to book or visit? If I want to book, I'm going to click on this book now button. And it is asking me my name to book. So I'm going to provide the name, let's say as new user. Now it is asking me my area. After providing the area, it is asking me my date, preferred date. So in this way, the flow is actually going to work. Now let's suppose if I want to get about frequently asked questions. So you can see I got frequently asked questions over here. What documents are required? Do you offer home delivery? Is there a security deposit? And if I want to get something else, I can directly visit them as well. When I've clicked on this visit us, so I got the location and Google Maps link. So in this way, the flow is actually going to work. You can also very easily create it without any coding and programming skills. So let's get started to learn this amazing process. To start with the process, first of all, in a new tab, we need to type pabbly.com/chatflow in our browser, which is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, we have 2 options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are an existing user like me, just click on sign in directly to log into your account. But in case if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software to test multiple automations, chatbots, as well as AI assistants for your business. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. Now this is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create the chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. It has now taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can find the credits that are allotted to us, the number of credits we have consumed, the remaining credits, and also the WhatsApp number that we have added. If you're having multiple WhatsApp number, they will be visible over here. And also you can save the numbers separately by adding the folders. Now to add a WhatsApp number, we have 2 methods, WhatsApp Connect method and manual token connect method. If you want to learn both the methods step by step, we have the separate tutorial videos for both of them uploaded on our YouTube channel. Also for you, I'm going to attach the link of both the videos in my description. Now, apart from creating WhatsApp chatbot for our business, we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow, such as inbox, contact section, team queues, template section, broadcast. Here we have AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. For each of these features, we have separate detailed tutorials. So you can just go and watch the videos from our YouTube channel if you want to learn about any of the feature in detail. Now let's start creating the flow for our business. For that, we'll go towards the flow section. So we are on the flow section, and here we have the active as well as inactive flows. To start with the flow, let's click on this add flow button. Here we are on a new screen which contains a blank flow. We have to prepare it to completely set up our chatbot. Now you have to keep in mind that the bot which we are going to create, that I've shown you in the beginning of the video, is going to be totally based on the flow that we are going to prepare over here. Flow is going to decide the chronological orders of the messages that are to be sent to the customers on the basis of their response. So here, first of all, let me provide the name of my flow. WhatsApp chatbot for your scanner rental business. After giving the name, now you have to decide that how you want your flow to start. Either you can enter specific keywords over here, that when you're going to receive specific keywords from your customers or from your clients, then only your flow is going to respond. Otherwise, you can also use template, that when you're going to send templates to all your customers or to your leads, and when you're going to receive the reply on your template messages from your customers, then your flow should start. Or either you can go for entering a regex. Regex is regular expressions, which helps us to identify the messages that we are receiving from our customers on WhatsApp and start the flow. That too automatically. So here I'm going to use a specific regex over here that is going to help me that whenever I'm going to receive any kind of message, whether it is a text message, a paragraph, symbols, emojis, or even a specific word, my flow is going to start for all of them. So the regex that I am going to use over here is this. Okay, so now as I've used this regex, you can also use the same. It is going to help us to start the flow every time we are going to receive any kind of message. As I'm going to receive a message from my customer, my flow is going to start. So I will respond them and I will tell them about my business. So for that, here I'm going to send them a text plus button message. Okay, so now to send this message, here I'm going to enter the content as: hello, welcome to Scan Pro Rentals. This is the name of my business. We offer affordable, high-quality scanners on rent for students, professionals, and businesses. How can I help you today? You can see that some of the details I have made bold that are important by adding the stars like this. Okay. Now, I'm going to provide them some options that what they want to explore. So the first button I'm going to use is if they want to know about the plans that we are offering. Then the second button is going to be if they want to book the scanner for rent. Or third button is going to be FAQs. Okay, so now I have attached 3 buttons over here according to the interest of the customers they can select. For example, if they are going to select plans, so I'm going to send them a message in which I'm going to provide them the plans catalog, and that is going to be in media format. So I've selected media message, and the media type is going to be image. I'm going to upload the image of the plans for the scanner from the computer over here. I have uploaded the catalog. So these are the rental plans I'm providing. Now I'm going to enter the caption. Want to book or visit? So I'm going to provide 2 buttons over here. If they want to book now, or if they want to visit us, or they want to get the location. So if they want to visit us, so I'm going to provide them the location details in a text message. Here we have it. This is the pickup location. And here we have the address, and also I've provided the Google Maps link. Now, this is the first case. If the customers want to book now, so I'm going to collect their details. So I'm going to first of all send them a message in which I'm going to ask their name. Okay, so I'm going to go towards actions, and to ask the name, I will have to ask a question. So I'm going to connect ask question over here like this. The message is going to be, let's get you booked. And here I have asked, please reply with the following details so that we can confirm your scanner rental. First of all, your name. And to collect the name, I'm going to use contact custom field so that I can permanently store the names in contact section. So here I'm going to select full name in the contact custom field. The format will be text. How you can select a contact custom field? For that, you just have to go towards settings. Here we have contact custom field section. You can add as many details as you want in contact custom fields which you want to collect from your customers. Okay, once you are using contact custom fields, then further you will be able to use these details in the communications to make your communication more personalized. Also, it will be saved automatically when you are going to receive them as reply. All right. Now here we are going to move forward. As I'm going to receive the name, then I'm going to ask their address or their area. Your area. And here I'm going to collect area in the text format. Then I'm going to ask their preferred date. Okay. To collect preferred date, again, I'm going to select date over here. in the date format. And finally, I want to ask the number of days for which they want the scanner for rent. That means their rental duration. Okay, now I'm going to select the contact custom field as rental duration. That is going to be number format. Okay, I have provided the minimum value as 1 and maximum I'm going to keep it none. Okay, as the first part of my flow is ready, now let's move forward. Before that, let's save the flow first. As the flow is updated, now we have the second option, that if the person wants to book for the scanner. So again, I'm going to ask their details for that to book. Alright, so now as we have collected the details, then further I'm going to send them a message regarding their confirmation. And here I'm going to enter thank you, and now I'm going to use the name of the customers that I've already received in the full name format of contact custom field. So I've entered the exact contact custom field but along with the $sign, so that we have made it variable and dynamic. So automatically it will get replaced and we will be able to use the name of the customers to address them in the personalized format. Our team will get in touch shortly to confirm availability and delivery options. Okay. Now here, as we have completed the flow, let's quickly save it. As the flow is saved, we are going to move forward. If the customers want to click on the button book, again I'm going to send them, again I'm going to collect their details. So I'm going to connect this button with a message where I'm asking them for their details, and it is going to continue with the flow. If the next we have is the FAQs. So if they want to know about the general details that are frequently asked questions, so I'm going to provide that in a text plus button format. Okay. So these are frequently asked questions. I have added them, and now I have entered need help with something else. So I will attach the button as visit us. If they want to visit us, so I'm going to connect them with the button where they are receiving the address and the Google Map link. So my flow is ready. It is completed. We are going to quickly save it again, and then I'm going to show you whether it is properly working or not. So I will take you towards WhatsApp. So this is the WhatsApp number of ScanPro. I have simply opened it, and now as a customer, I'm going to send a message. Hi, I need scanner. You can see as soon as I've sent this message, I got an instant reply with buttons. Hello, welcome to ScanPro Rentals. So this means our flow is actually working fine. So you can also very easily create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your business, for your scanner rentals. Whenever you're going to receive any inquiry for your business, your bot is going to respond it for you and also going to improve your sales and productivity. I hope this automation and the entire process of creating this WhatsApp chatbot is clear to you. It is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots for your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Do you know you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free? So try it now today. Thank you for watching.